Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I consider the best screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you're like me and want to keep your smartphone screen in pristine condition, this one's for you. This screen protector from CWQZGUF isn't just any ordinary protector. It's crafted from high-quality tempered glass, designed specifically for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. What sets it apart is its dual pack feature, including not only screen protectors but also camera lens protectors, ensuring comprehensive protection for your device. Perfectly tailored for the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, ensuring a precise fit without compromising on touch sensitivity. Unlike many other protectors, this one supports the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, maintaining both security and usability. With a 9H hardness rating, it's tough enough to resist scratches, impacts, and daily wear and tear. Thanks to its bubble-free adhesive, installation is a breeze, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free application. Why should you consider investing in this screen protector? Well, besides protecting your phone from scratches and cracks, it maintains the original touch sensitivity and clarity of your device's screen. Plus, the camera lens protectors add an extra layer of security for your valuable camera lenses. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, look no further than the CWQZGUF tempered glass protector. It's durable, easy to install, and enhances your phone's usability without compromising on protection. I highly recommend it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.